Okay, well, since the new website's gone live for Great Value Holidays, we've found that we're getting a lot more traffic. It's staying on the site and having a look around. Before they were logging on, having a quick look and then going. So now we're finding that they're staying there longer. Plus it's generating bookings that were never happening before. So it's probably, it would be 50-50 inquiry with bookings now, whereas we never had bookings before. So that's a really good sign. Yeah, because it's a senior audience we're dealing with, I was a bit sceptical, I must admit, about putting the booking on there. I didn't think that they would book that. They always like to talk to somebody on a phone, but that hasn't really been the case. We've found that at least half the people that were looking want to book. That's what they're there to do, I guess, to have a look, and if they found something they like, then they book at that time. So we've found that a great conversion result. So yeah, so now we've got money coming in from the bookings that was never there before. So that's definitely a good thing, obviously. Yeah, the transformation has been dramatic, I guess is the word. So the site is actually starting to work instead of not working, and it's gone from shit to gold.